Make this beautiful one-bedroom, one-bath home at Loretto Heights yours by stopping by our leasing office or applying online today. Our apartments feature modern light packages and gourmet-style kitchens. Upgraded appliances have ice makers in the fridge, stainless steel appliances with plenty of counter space, dishwashers, and a double sink included. With trendy open-concept designs, the kitchen is attached to the dining room and living room. There's space for just about every type of furniture, patios and balconies are included, and even though it's just one bedroom, there's still room for all of your friends and family. Let's take a walk down the hallway where you'll find a full-size washer and dryer with built-in shelving above. Our bathrooms feature extended shower curtain rods, modern flooring, and brushed nickel accents. Plenty of cabinet and counter space as well. Oh, did we say storage? Built-in shelving included. Let's take a look at your master bedroom at 10 by 15 feet, featuring large windows and optional Art Deco walls. You'll have plenty of closet space and room for 2 nightstands and even a dresser. Well equipped with today's comforts like central heat and central air, this cozy yet spacious one-bedroom apartment is sure to feel like home.